I did a pirate, didn't I? Yeah. Do ye have what it takes to make ship happen?
Nice.
Actually, do you have what it takes to make ship happen? What does it mean to ship? And why should you be shipping more? This is Make Ship Happen. So yes, today we're talking about shipping. That's finishing things and then sharing them with others. Shipping is fairly obvious if, for example, you're a potter. When you send your latest piece to your client, you're shipping. But there are less obvious ways to ship. You can turn most of what you're up to into shippable activity each day. If you're putting together funding application for your obscure art installation, posting the application is shipping. You have to finish the application, and then by posting it, you are sharing with the funding body. An actor looking for a new agent. Sending your showreel to 5 agents is shipping. The showreel and the covering email have to be finished, and then you are sharing them with the agents. Finishing 5 pages of your novel and sharing them with your most critical friend is shipping. What could shipping look like for you? Let us know in the comments below. You see, being busy is meaningless unless you are shipping. Nobody sees your work, nobody hears your ideas, nobody can connect with your talent, nobody gives you any money, nobody can recommend you. We are literally having no impact on the world if we're not shipping. We say in the Make Happen method that 50% of your practice, 50% of your practice is connecting with others.
In the Make Happen method, we assert that it is imperative for creative practitioners to equally consider the sharing of their work as to the creation. We distinguish this as being out there. As a creative, you have to be out there, in the world, sharing what you're up to. For many of us, this is terrifying. Being out there brings a risk of rejection. I'd suggest it makes rejection almost a certainty. However, without being out there, you will likely never flourish at your creative endeavour. If you are not out there, nobody will have the opportunity to appreciate you and your work. So make being out there as much of a priority as your creativity.
So you need to make your whole practice about shipping, finishing something, and importantly, sharing it. So what could you ship today? How can you turn what you're up to into something shippable? Don't forget to let us know in the comments what shipping is for you. That's right, we're asking you to ship a comment. Sweep the deck. Stop consuming these videos and go and ship something. Does that sound really rude?